Hi, Park Terrace families. This is Mr. Downs. I am so excited to have you back at Park Terrace. Finally, get to see some of your smiling faces, not only on the computer again, but also in live. So, what I've got up here right now is our Welcome Back Families, our newsletter for the fall. And so, I'll just kind of walk through it here with you. And basically, it's just kind of talking about what a crazy year this is going to be. I'll be teaching some live lessons. I'm going to be teaching kindergarten and fourth grade at first, and then we'll be going to other grades. But we will provide some lessons to you from first, second, and third grade, and of course our EFL students that are online. We will be providing some lessons and hopefully getting some feedback from you on your ideas during that time if you are at home. But I have a very special guest to introduce you to right over here to my left. We are sitting in the office. This is Charlie. He will be teaching with me this year. He's, as you can read his little bio there, he's in his 5th year at Bethel. And he'll be teaching some classes with me this year. So we're very excited. You can read about him and some of the things that we'll be doing this first trimester. As you can see, in September, we're going to focus on, this will be exciting too, that we're adding kindergarten because we normally don't have kindergarten on a regular basis here in the gym. But we will be teaching them the first 4 weeks. We'll be having PE every single day with also fourth graders coming in on their hybrid days. But we want to get some outdoor games because we know how we want to stay fresh outside as much as we possibly can, and we don't have to wear masks in the gym, but you could feel free if you would like to in the gym. But it is an active area, and we have a large enough space. We'll have smaller classes, so we won't have to worry too much about that too much again. But we will be obviously very, very safe as far as washing our hands, taking care of our equipment, and that sort of thing. So don't be worried about that. But if you have any concerns, you can certainly email me or call me here at Park Terrace Elementary. So, like I said, we'll do some cooperative games. We're going to be focusing on throw and catch activities, scooters, parachute, that first month, and then we will move on to October, November, and again, hopefully have an awesome start to the school year. So, if you have any questions, I'm usually here, or I'll be out in the gym. Anything you have to say, Charlie?
Just looking forward to getting after it with the kids this fall, and we'll see what happens here. I'm looking forward to learning a lot of new experiences and working with Mr. Downs, and obviously super excited to have all the kids come in and get after this first start to the year.
Perfect. We will have a blast. Well, have a great last couple of days of summer. We'll see kindergarten coming in here on Thursday. Have a great afternoon, and we'll stay fit, stay safe. Have a great day.